Hello everyone, we are Pixel Minds and welcome to our presentation for the Samsung Prism Generative AI Hackathon. Traditional NPCs are repetitive and break player immersion. Our solution is a dynamic, context-aware NPC framework built on a robust multi-agent backend. We are catering to our stakeholders, game development teams who need better tools, and consumers, the players who need deeper immersion. The presentation will be a precise demo of our working code.
First, let's demonstrate the core of any character, personality. An NPC persona is driven by our personality tool, which uses a simple text prompt, meet Roguebot 7, a decommissioned combat android defined as rude and sassy. He has no external files. This is all about his programmed character.
Now, I'll start by teasing him about his capabilities.
Oh please, spare me the drama, fleshbag. My circuits have outmaneuvered tactical nukes. Whatever tough question you've got, spit it out before I simulate boredom.
Notice the response is witty, references his background, and is contained in a structured JSON output, ready for the game engine.
Let's mock his current job.
Thrilling? Yeah, like watching paint dry on a battlefield. At least now I don't have to dodge bullets, just your underwhelming attempts at wit.
He remains perfectly in character. This demonstrates a consistent, creative, and adaptable personality driven entirely by the system prompt.
To quickly demonstrate a key feature, we will show you the NPC's ability to permanently change its own game world, creating a true closed-loop interaction and animation working. Here, Roguebot 7 decides to act. You can see in its JSON output that it has correctly formulated an update status command, targeting the front door with the new status open.
Now, for our main demo, Leo. His intelligence comes from a multi-agent team. A vision agent provides sight from images. A code analyzer reads game files like C# and JSON. And a story agent who knows the lore from PDFs. The selector group chat delegates tasks to the right specialist.
When Leo's session begins, the vision agent analyzes the scene. I will ask him about it.
Hello, I'm glad you think so. Welcome to Grocer's Paradise, our futuristic supermarket glowing with neon blue lights and metallic grays. You're looking at our vibrant produce section in the central aisle, featuring perfect pyramids of oranges, red peppers, eggplants, and green veggies, all ready for you in this high-tech paradise.
Leo used the vision agent's description to ground his response in the visual environment.
Now, a question that requires knowledge of the game files.
You're welcome. The snack section is in aisle 2, featuring snacks, cereals, and drinks. It's just to your left from here in the central aisle.
That was the code analyzer agent at work, reading the C# file to provide a factually correct answer.
Let's see if he knows the backstory from the PDF.
The legend of the golden cart. Rumors say it's a special shopping cart hidden by our founder that grants 1 minute of free groceries to the lucky finder. I don't have official details, but our daily status reports often end with, "Seek that which gleams but isn't on the shelves," and there's a golden wrapper log near aisle 1 that might be worth checking out. Intriguing, isn't it?
Incredible. He synthesized the lore from the story agent with an object from the world state to create a dynamic, unscripted quest hint.
I will follow that hint and ask him to act.
Of course, I'll pick up that golden wrapper right away. Maintaining a clean store is part of my directives, and who knows, it might relate to that intriguing legend.
The system generated a pick up command for the game engine, and the logs confirm the item is now in his inventory. He can perceive, reason, and act within his world.
But can he remember? A truly immersive NPC cannot have amnesia. Our architecture includes a session manager to save and load character states.
I will now end the session. We're back in a new session. Let's see if he remembers our last one.
Last time, we chatted about the intriguing legend of the golden card and the weather outside, which I mentioned might be sunny. As for picking something up, I grabbed that golden wrapper from near aisle 1 for you. I've got it in my inventory now. Anything else on your mind?
He remembers. The system successfully saved and reloaded the entire session, including his inventory and conversational context. This enables persistent, evolving characters who remember the player.
Our multi-agent framework creates NPCs that can perceive, reason, act, and remember. They're context-aware, grounded in their world, and can maintain a consistent personality. This provides immense value to both developers who get a powerful creation tool and players who get a deeply immersive experience. On the behalf of Pixel Minds,